So there's really only a few steps needed in order to embed a Google document into your Niihka course site. The first thing you want to do is start off by creating a Google Doc or locating one that already exists. So I'm going to go over to Google Drive and I'm going to create a new Google document. I'll click on Create over here and then click on Document. The next step is to give this document a name. So you can call this syllabus if that's what you're meaning to embed into your course site. You can call this class notes. You can call this whatever you'd like. I'm going to call it class notes with today's date in it. So today is March 12th, 2014. And these are the notes for today's class. So at this point, we're ready to set the permissions on this document to be able to embed it within Niihka. So over here, there's a blue button on the far right-hand side that says Share. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll open up a window with sharing settings. And right now, by default, it's set to private. Only you are allowed to access this document. But we can click on Change next to it, and what we want is actually anyone with a link. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to ensure that down here under Access it says anyone, no sign-in required, can view this document. Okay, we don't want them to be able to comment or edit. We only want them to be able to view it. Then we're going to click on Save. You'll notice it no longer says private here. It says anyone who has the link can view. And then in this text box up here that's already highlighted is a URL. This is the address that you're going to drop into Niihka to embed your document into Niihka. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And now we're ready to go back into my Miami, and I'm going to access my Niihka course site. And I'm going to click on just this training site here that I have. And there's a couple different ways you can go about doing this. If this is a syllabus, then you could utilize the syllabus tool that's inside your course site already. You may have to turn it on first, but there's a tool there that will let you, if you were to click on it, at the top we're going to click on Edit and Create, or excuse me, Create/Edit, and then we're going to use the Redirect button, which is the one in the middle. And using that, you can paste in the URL from Google into this box here. And then when students access the syllabus, they'll actually see the Google document embedded within the Niihka interface. If this is not a syllabus and you just want to embed another document, you can do that by going up to the Site Info tool. And we're going to go to Edit Tools, and we're going to scroll down to the W's for Web Content. What Web Content does is it lets you embed an external website directly into Niihka. So once I clicked on that, it's going to ask me for a title. So I'm going to say Class Notes. And in the source, I'm just going to paste the address that we get directly from Google that we already copied. And then I'm going to click Continue and Finish. And at this point, we now have an item over here on the side that says Class Notes. And if I were to click on this, it would show the class notes directly within the interface for any of the students.